Attracting money can be really hard if you're in a place of not having money. In today's video, I want to show you an easy trick on how to shift your thoughts about money and finally attract. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Andrea. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for further notifications. This way, you won't miss any of my next videos. Today, I want to share with you a simple trick that I use when I have a lot of resistance about money. When that place of vibrational alignment with money is so hard to reach. In fact, the reason for this vibrational imbalance, there are so many negative thoughts that we take from the other people, from the outside world. We take all kinds of thoughts like having money is a bad thing, that if you want money you are greedy, the more money you have the more problems you get, or that you have to work hard and struggle in order to have money. We get to hear a lot of negative things and a lot of negative thoughts about money that we get to believe eventually. You can't attract money by thinking those thoughts, so you need to change your thoughts around money. As I was sitting the other day just thinking about money, I was having a hard time imagining and visualizing the flow of money coming to me. I got to the point where I could think about the money as a flow of energy somewhere above me. I couldn't get it to move towards me. Nothing really felt right. So I came up with the idea to replace the word money and the feelings that I used to have about money, to replace it with a feeling that is easy for me to reach right now. And I found happy to be the easiest feeling that I could identify myself with. So I reached that place where I could feel happy, where I could feel positive, where I could feel easy. For you, it could be another word or another feeling that makes you feel easy. I stood in that feeling a couple of minutes, just thinking of myself being positive, being happy. I had to remind myself all of those things. And then I imagined money like a stream of energy. I wanted to detach myself from any thoughts I may have had about money in the past and imagine money, the same energy, the same happy, positive vibration that I was creating within myself a few minutes before. Okay, so I imagined this stream of positive energy mixed with money floating above me, and then I brought my awareness back to the feelings I was having, that the energy that I created and the energy of the money flow are the same. It seemed like a logical idea to bring that energy into my life because we are the same energy. I imagined that this flow is infinite, that felt so positive and so happy and so loving. And I imagined this stream coming to me. There's nothing holding us apart anymore. It feels so good and it feels so right to allow money to flow to me. This is the visualization practice that really helped me to shift my thoughts about money using the feeling that was easier to reach. Like I said before, you have to find your own positive word that you resonate with, that you feel like is easier for you to reach right now. Maybe it's a feeling of ease or security or feeling safe, free of worry, anything that makes you feel better. You take that feeling and you hold on to it for a couple of minutes to add more power to it. When you give your attention to it, you give more power to that thought. And therefore, its power of attraction increases as well. You could even make up sentences that include those words that you've been thinking about, just to make the momentum even stronger. For example, you could think of, I am worthy to have money, or it feels so good to have money. Say it several times, I am worthy to have money. Try to write it down a couple of times, that helps. In fact, you can write it down right now in the comments below. I saw this in another video yesterday, and I thought this is a good idea. And by writing these affirmations in the comments below, you actually reinforce them and you give them more power. So let's give it some more power. And right now in the comments below, I am worthy to have money. And now attach this feeling that you have created within yourself to the stream of money coming to you. I decided to share this with you because this works for me every single time, and I am sure it can help you as well. This stream of money is infinite, and you are not taking it away from anyone if you attract it in your life. It has nothing to do with anybody else's experience or anybody else having or not having money. It only has to do with you and your positive relationship with money. In today's video, I will show you 5 steps to manifest money and generate the wealth you have always wanted. By using the universal law of attraction, your mindset does all the work for you. The following 5 steps will make your mind believe you are wealthy. Step 1. Look at what you already have right now. Appreciation is the key to the law of attraction. Take a look at your financial situation and start to appreciate it, whatever that amount is. Think about those times when you had so much less and how better you are doing now. If you don't have any money, try to give appreciation to the things that you do have, the experiences you have. Step 2. Develop a wealthy mindset. You attract the money before it manifests in your reality. You don't need money to attract money. Change your inner conception on wealth and it will generate the wealth you have always wanted. Always keep money in your wallet. It can be a small amount, it doesn't matter. As your day goes by, try to remember that you have money and say to yourself how abundant you are. This will be easy to do because it is real. Step 3. Stop worrying and think positive. Worry is not going to bring you wealth. Worrying is stupid. It's like walking around with an umbrella waiting for it to rain. Wiz Khalifa. Try to see the best in any situation. You are not excluded from attracting, no matter what you believe at this moment. Don't be jealous when someone else is having the car or the money you've been wanting. It has nothing to do with your story, and it won't make money come faster to you. Step 4. How you feel about money. Observe how you feel about money when you pay your bills or when you plan your payouts. Try to see the benefits of spending money. Never spend money from a place of lack. Save money so that you can enjoy the money that you already have. Step 5. Raise your vibration. Rising your vibration affects your attraction level. Eliminate any negative situation and people from your life. They all affect your energy level, and you cannot attract when you feel tired. Allow abundance in your life at all levels. An abundance of happy moments, an abundance of good food, an abundance of energy and vitality. Now go happily and manifest your fortune. This is it for today. If you like my video, make sure to like and leave a comment. Until next time, bye.